The 2026 Kawasaki KLX230. Today we're talking about a true dual sport machine, the 2026 Kawasaki KLX230. Built for both city streets and off-road trails, this bike is lightweight, simple, and incredibly fun, making it a perfect choice for beginners and adventure riders alike. Engine and performance. The 2026 KLX230 comes with a 233 cubic centimeters air-cooled single-cylinder engine, designed for reliability and smooth power delivery. Power, almost equals 19 HP. Torque, almost equals 19 Nm. Transmission, 6-speed gearbox. This engine focuses on strong low-end torque, making it ideal for trail riding, hill climbs, and everyday commuting. It's not about top speed, it's about control and usability. Dual sport capability. The KLX230 is built to handle both on-road and off-road riding effortlessly. Key highlights. Lightweight chassis for easy control. High ground clearance for rough terrain. 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels. Long travel suspension. Backhand index pointing right. Whether you're riding on dirt trails or city roads, this bike adapts easily and gives you confidence in all conditions. Chassis and suspension. Kawasaki designed the KLX230 with a rugged steel perimeter frame, ensuring durability and stability. Suspension setup. Front, 37mm telescopic forks. Rear, unitrack monoshock, long travel. This setup absorbs bumps easily and provides excellent off-road comfort and control. Brakes and safety. The braking system is simple but effective for dual-purpose riding. Front, 290mm disc. Rear, 230mm disc. Dual-purpose ABS, can be adjusted/disabled for off-road. This allows riders to switch between safe road braking and freer off-road control. Technology and features. The KLX230 keeps things simple but practical. Fuel injection system. Electric start. Digital LCD display. Basic riding aids for easy use. Backhand index pointing right. The focus here is reliability and ease of maintenance rather than complex electronics. Dimensions and weight. Seat height, 880mm. Ground clearance, 255mm. Weight, almost equals 139 kg. Fuel tank, 7.5 liters. The lightweight build makes it easy to handle, especially for new riders. Riding experience. The 2026 Kawasaki KLX230 is all about simplicity and fun. Easy to ride. Lightweight and nimble. Perfect for beginners. Great for trails and daily use. It's not a high-speed machine, but it's one of the most enjoyable and practical bikes for real-world riding. Conclusion. The 2026 Kawasaki KLX230 is a perfect entry-level dual-sport motorcycle. With its lightweight design, reliable engine, and off-road capability, it delivers everything you need for adventure riding without complexity. Backhand index pointing right. If you want a bike that can handle city, dirt, and everything in between, the KLX230 is one of the best choices in 2026.